What is it?
This is the great, the fantastic, the amazing sweeple.
Sweeple? Yes, and we've got only 5 of them.
Only 5? Yes, only 5.
How much are they? Are they expensive? No, they are not expensive. They are cheap.
These are the best, the smallest, the fastest sweeple in the world.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, and do you have to do chores at home?
Yes, I have to clean my room.
Right, the sweeple is for you.
Brilliant.
And do you like playing computer games?
Yes, I do.
Then the sweeple is for you too.
Great. Is the sweeple for me too? When is your birthday? It's on the 21st of April. Yes, you're lucky. The sweeple is for you too. Wonderful. What are sweeple made of?
They're made of metal, plastic, glass, and sugar.
Sugar?
Yes, the sweetest sugar in the world.
Wonderful. Fantastic. So, boys and girls,
Who wants a sweeple?
Me. What's happening? Olivia and Emma are same sweeple.
Yes, but we bought them all. I bought one.
And I bought 1 too. And I bought 3. Can I see them?
Sure, they're the smallest sweeples in the world.
And the best. And the fastest. But what do they do?
What do they do?
Yes, what do they do? Well, we don't know what they do.
Yes, that's right. What do they do? Oh, hey, Olivia, Emma.
Here they are. Girls, you tricked us.
Yes, you are good friends.
Yes, and we are going to tell your parents about this.
Oh no, please don't do that. We'll be punished.
And we will have to stay at home, our homework the whole weekend.
Okay, but never do that again. Do you promise? Yes, we do.
Sorry, friends, we just wanted to have some fun.
Okay,
Let's go
and have some fun.